Good morning, children. Good morning, children. This is social subject standard 6. We are having the topic educational rights. Here we are going to see the worksheet 10. Okay, children. Education. What is the meaning of education? Education is the most important for people as well as the nation. Not children, not only for the children, the education is most important for the development of that nation. Without the education we cannot be, because why? Education given the knowledge to the people. That's what people should have, that in the up to the age, at least up to the age 16 they want to get the education. That's what the government is insisting. Education is the first step for a child development. Then we can have this education improves knowledge, skills, values and quality of one's life. It also help in overall development of a country. In this lesson we are going to see the importance of education, various educational schemes whatever we are having. List the features of right to education. Right to education, RTE. We know RTE, that how the Right to Education Act it is implementing, how it is much helpful to the people, we are going to see in this lesson. Children, the importance of education is, that is the meaning of this is, one should be literate. A person should be literate. It is more than literacy. Education help to analyze the reason. We are asking the question why we want to do that. What are the reason for anything they are doing that. We are asking question. No, நீங்களே question கேட்பீங்க இல்லையா, அம்மா எதுக்காக இதை செய்யணும், like that. This is analyze the reason, build skill to live. This is developing our skills. Know what is right and wrong. We should know what are the right things, what are the wrong things we want to do. Like that, the education is most important to analyze these things. This lead a moral life. The life should be, it should have a moral. It should be molded like that. Gandhiji telling literacy in its no education. Literacy is not the end of education. Real education consists in drawing the best of our best of yourself, he is telling. Education help in broadening one's mind. It improves superstitious beliefs. We know, children, what is the meaning of superstitious beliefs? Superstitious மூட நம்பிக்கைகள். And these and all want to clear out from the society means we should need, we want to have education. Education help in increasing awareness of surroundings, social and political issues. It develops wisdom also. Swami Vivekananda is best known for his speech which began with the words, "Sisters and brothers of America, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man." Swami Vivekananda telling this. Children, in this picture I given this is the Gurukulam we are telling. What is that? Now and all we are having school, teachers, the surroundings, blackboard, everything. In the earlier time they are not at all having school or something. They are having only Gurukulam is the system of education that has practiced in ancient India. Guru means teacher, and the Shishya student, they are lived in ashrams. They are living in the ashrams, the students, and they are getting the education. This is called Gurukula system of education. The educational rights we are getting. Every child has the right to get education, free and compulsory education. The Right to Education Act RTE specifies different responsibilities to the local authorities and the government to ensure free and compulsory education. Right to Education Act 2009, it was created, described the importance of free and compulsory education for children between the years 6 to 14 years of age. Education should be affordable to the common people. There should be no discrimination in the education. பாகுபாடுகள் இல்லை. அதாவது all the people, they are equal, they are getting the education. It should be based on need of the child and mold the child's thoughts. The child should be at the center of an education system. Then the importance of features of RTE. It unites the completion of the elementary education. No student is stopped from school. 25% reservation is given to the economically underprivileged people in all private schools. Improvement in the quality of education. School infrastructure should be improved every 3 years. Finances will be shared between the state and the central government. Children, next we are going to see about the child labor. Child labor is not allowed in our country. See this picture, this is indicating that child labor, all children are entitled to have free and compulsory education. Then educational schemes, what and all have we are having the educational schemes. Most important milestone in education is the free midday meals program, which was implemented by the former chief minister of Tamil Nadu, K. Kamaraj. Indian educational system is mainly developed into four stages they are having: lower primary, upper primary, secondary, higher secondary. The Sarva Siksha Abhiyan SSA, the Right to Education Act, have improved the educational performance. Sarva Siksha Abhiyan SSA education free for all launched in the year of 2001. The objectives of Sarva Siksha Abhiyan is increasing the enrollment of the primary schools, getting access to the free and compulsory education for child up to the age of 14, improving the quality of education. Here I want to tell you one thing. Peruntalaivar Kamaraj's birthday anniversary 15th of July is celebrated as the Educational Development Day in recognition of his contribution to the development of education. Then children, I want to recap something, that is education is very important for every individual. That is every child has the right to have free and compulsory education. Education should be affordable to common people. Right to Education Act is the 2009 describes the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 years of age. Samagra Siksha scheme improves the quality of education. Children, here misgiven the objectives questions. Dash is the step for a child's development. Education is more than dash. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man is the famous quote of Dash. Dash describes the importance of free and compulsory education. Government of India has framed to promote education. Then match the following they are having: Gurukulam, Kamaraj, Right to Education Act, Education, Samagra Siksha. 2009-2018 develops wisdom, ancient Indian educational system, free midday meals. True or false? You can give answer. Every child has the right to have free and compulsory education. Education help in increasing awareness of surroundings. That is, right to school act describes the importance of free and compulsory education. Nursery is the step toward making one educate. The former chief minister of Tamil Nadu, K. Kamaraj, was implemented free midday meals program. Answer the following 5 questions we given. We will discuss in the our class children. Thank you.